So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a landing page with the help of your HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The JavaScript which is used for making this landing page is swiper.js, which is used for making the slider. Here is the home tab, menu tab, what's the new tab, contact tab, and it's also include the learn more button. Below that we can see here the Facebook icon, Twitter and Instagram. If you want the source code, it is given in the description of this video. Also you can get the link of the portfolio in the about section of the YouTube. So let's get started. So let's start our code by writing the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title, landing page. Let's go through body tag. Make one a class circle in the div. Go to the another line, take on header tag. In that header tag we have to take for anchor tag for our logo. Put image size logo.png, save it. Go ahead and another line, take a UL tag with class navigation, class navigation. Go in the UL tag, take a layer tag and one anchor tag, master, the right, home. Okay, now copy it and paste it 3 to 4 times, second, third, fourth. Edit the text, home, menu, what's new. What's new, and the last one is contact. Save it. Let's go ahead, link the CSS file, which is most important. Save it. Where the CSS file has been linked. Let's go ahead to the out to the header tag. Here we have to make a class content for our text, which had to be written there. Take another one, class text box. In the text box, take one tag h2 tag, right, paste feelings. Now take another tag, p tag. In the p tag we have to put lorem then 30. Save it, Alt Z. Okay, now let's check it by going live. Okay, you can see here is a home page and here is a lorem. Now let's go to our code. Let's go to the CSS. The CSS to all the web we have to give margin 0, padding 0, and the box sizing of border box, sizing border box. First we have to import the link for the font. I have taken this link from the Google Fonts. You can also choose from there. Copy it and paste in the HTML file. Below the where we have linked the CSS file to the HTML. Save it. Also we have to write here font family, Poppins, sunset. Save it. Now let's go to the body tag. In the body tag we have to put overflow and the Let's go ahead to the section tab. In the section tab, we have to click position, relative, width of 100%, height of 100 ph, padding of 100 pixel, display will be flex, align item center, justify content, space between, save it. Now we have to also change the background hash 161616. Now let's go ahead to rediff circle, section dot circle. Here the position of the circle will be absolute, top 0, left 0, top 0, left 0. We have to give the width 100%, height 100%, background of hash E55128. Save it. Now we have to make it a circle through the click path circle 70% at right minus 20%. Save it. Now let's go to our page, reload it. I think, is there any mistake? Let's check it. Section dot circle. We are also using the CSS file. We have to add this section in the index file here. Section, and take this section at the last of this body. Okay, save it. Now let's check it. Okay, it's somewhat have been built. Let's go ahead to the CSS file. Now we have to give some CSS for the header. Position of the header will be absolute, top will be 0, left will be 0, top 0, left 0, width of 100%, height of padding 40 pixel and 100 pixel, display will be flex, justify content, space between, and align item will be at center. Save it. Let's go ahead to the logo by crawling header. The position of this logo will be relative. Max will be 150 pixel. Save it. And let's go to our navigation by crawling in header. Navigation. In this navigation, the position of this navigation will be relative, and the display will be flex. And this navigation by crawling navigation. In this navigation, we have to go near the li. In this li tag, the list type should be none. Header, navigation, have to go to the anchor tab. The display will be inline block. Color will be hash triple F, means the white color, and the font weight 500. Text duration will be none. Margin left 40 pixel. Let's go to the content. You have to go to this box. The position of this content will be relative. Width will be 100%. Display will be flex. Justify content. Space between. Line item center. We have to go to content by crawling to the text box. Position will be relative. Max width of 600 pixel. You have to give some margin right of 20 pixel. Save it. Now let's go to the H2 in the text box. Dot content. Dot text box H2. In the H2, we have to give the color hash triple F, means the white color. And size will be 3 em. Margin bottom will be 10 pixel. Line height of 1.4 em. And the font weight will be 700. Save it. Now let's go to the p tag in the text box. Dot content dot text box. In the text box we have to go to the p tag. The color of the p tag should be white, is hash triple F. Now let's go to the anchor tag by calling in content dot text box anchor tag. The display will be inline block. Margin of 20 pixel. Padding of 15 pixel. 20 pixel. And we have to give the background flash E5 1E2. Save it. We have to give the color hash triple F in the border. Border will be 40 pixel. We have to give the font width 500. That is spacing of 1 pixel, and the text decoration will be none. Save it. Let's go to our project by saying, okay, you can see here the home page menu. What's here the contact tab here. Here is our logo. We'll taste the feeling. So let's go ahead. You see HTML file. In the HTML file, if we have to make another class of has image box, below this dot In this image box, we have to include the swiper.js. I have to copy this code from the swiper.js file. You can go there and copy it. We have to include first this swiper.js file in the HTML. Copy it, paste it in the HTML. Below the CSS file, save it. Now next we have to copy this JavaScript. And we have to paste this above the body tag and save. This all the swiper files have been copied from the swiper.js website. You can go there and copy it. Now let's write the code for the slider. In this image box, first make the class swiper. In that swiper we have to also include one class, mousemove. Save it. Now in these tags, in these classes, we have to give the swiper dot swiper dash wrapper. In this we have to give again in class swiper slider. Swiper slide. We have to give one image here. I will give the image of overall of 1. Now copy this part and paste it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's change the images. Coca-Cola 2, Coca-Cola 3. The images will be available on the GitHub. You can take it from there. The Coca-Cola 5 image and the last image of Coca-Cola 6 image. Now let's go ahead. We have to go outer of this all the divs. First I will do one format document storing all this code. Let's make one class SCI. For the last section, take the inline tag, take on anchor tag, hashtag. This anchor tag, we have to take on image tag. We have to give the image of Facebook PNG, copy it and paste it 3 times. We have to change this from Facebook to Twitter and from Facebook to Instagram. Instagram the print, save it. Okay, now let's go ahead. To our CSS file. The CSS file. Here we copy this class SCI and paste here. In this class we have to put a position absolute, save it. Bottom will be 40 pixel, left will be 100 pixel, display will be flex, alignment center, justify content center. Now let's go ahead and crawl in this SCI to align. In the align tag we have to give this type none. Now let's call to the anchor tag in the align tag dot class SCI align tag anchor tag. In this anchor tag we have to give display inline block margin left of 15 pixel, background of hash equal to width of 50 pixel, height of 50 pixel. The display will be flex. Justify content. Review center. Align items will be center. Border radius of 50%. Now we have to give the transition of 0.5 second is 0.5 second. Please unite. Save it. Now let's go ahead. We have to give it this, copy this. We have to give some functionality after over to these classes. Over. After hovering it, we have to change the background. We have to make some changes in our background. We have to change the color to E5, 1E28, and transform, translate Y to -10 pixel, -10 pixel. Now let's go ahead, take this SCI classic and let's call to the IMG tag. In this IMG tag we have to give the filter invert 1 and transform scale, so 0.5. Now let's load the class wiper. The class wiper we have to give the width of 500 pixel, padding top to 50 pixel, and the padding bottom of 50 pixel. Now we have to go near the swiper dot slider. To this we have to give the background position center. So we have to give the background position center and the background size cover, width of 180 pixel, height of 500 pixel, display will be flex, justify content will be center. Now let's go to the another, to the image tag, swiper slider, and image tag. We have to give you the display block and breadth of 10%. Let's go to the image block of this content. In the image box we have to give the width of 500 pixel, display will be flex, justify content will be flex, and here we have to give this swiper slider and the position of this class will be absolute, and the bottom will be 0 and the max height of 100%. Now let's go to the class for swiper. Container ready dot Upper slider, shadow, left, copy the left part, paste below it. You have to give the background image. Save it. Now let's see our project. Your project is ready. You can see your home page, menu page, what's new, contact, and here is the slider. Here is a learn more button, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So please share this video, subscribe my channel, and then like this video. Thank you.